Well, my dear Barks, Snickle. Heute wird ja logisch geweiht. No, we're this he cut. Alright, I did some editing stuff. I'm out of reverse, everyone. But I'd just like to say, happy April Fools, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that little video. There will be more to come soon with the LST. And also these guys right here, the Truggy. I got that thing. Whoops. Let me fix that. Yeah, I got that thing running great. Trophy truck's running great. And this thing hasn't ran at all. I gotta get this thing run. Who the hell is texting me? Jeez. Sorry, my phone's going crazy right now. If you can, it's still going crazy. That ain't it. That's not a joke. This is just happening right now. Alright, I'm gonna go check. Alright, that was nothing. But I had this guy running the track, running spectacular. We all know what the trophy truck does. And then this T-Max, of course, I haven't ran it at all. This is my cousin's. I've been building for him for a Christmas gift. And yes, it's April. But this thing's an absolute beast. Or it looks it, that is. I'm sure excited to see if this is. It's got a Dynamite 19. I'll be happy to see how that thing runs. But again, that's a quick update for you guys. I'm going to just cut. Of course, we'll get some LST action in the future. And that'll pretty much be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed that little thing. As you can see, I'm making this a tradition. If you want to check out last year's, it'll be right up there. I appreciate you liking and subbing. And yeah, that'll pretty much be it. And I'd just like to thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you later, everyone. Thank you. Oh!